on the spot. Well, let us see two more problems on the multiplication of a 3-digit number with a 1-digit number with carry. So let us see two more problems here. So that is fourth problem. So in this fourth problem also there is a 3-digit number, that is 250, and they have given a 1-digit number 3. We have to multiply this 3-digit number 250 with the single-digit number 3. So now again same process, multiply the digit present in one's place with 3. That is multiply 0 with 3, that is 3 into 0. So 3 into 0, children, how much you will get? Already you have learned about multiplication facts. So according to multiplication facts, if you multiply any number with 0, you will again get the same answer 0. So that is 3 into 0, 0. And 0 is a single digit number, there is no need to carry. So write the 0 under ones place. So now go to tens place. So what is the digit present in tens place? 5 is present in tens place. Multiply 5 with 3, that is 3 into 5. So children, how much 3 5s are? 3 5s are 15. 3 5s are 15. Children, 15 is a 2-digit number and we should not write 15 under tens place. So if the product is a 2-digit number, what we have to do? So again we have to take carry. So how to take carry? So if the product is a 2-digit number, write the second digit. That is, what is the second digit here? 5. Write the second digit 5 under tens place and carry the first digit to the next place. Here, what is the first digit here? 1 is the first digit. And carry this 1 to the next place, that is hundreds place. So write 1 under hundreds place. So now continue the multiplication with the hundreds place. So what is the digit present in hundreds place? 2 is present in hundreds place. Multiply 2 with 3, that is 3 into 2. So children, how much you will get? 3 2s are 3 2s are 6. 3 2s are 6. And add the carried number to the 6. Children, here is a carried number. So what is the carried number? 1. Add this carried number 1 to the product, that is 6. So add 1 to the 6. So how much you will get if you add 1 to 6? So 6 after 7. So you will get 7 and write 7 under hundreds place. So the answer is 750. So children, now go to the next problem, that is fifth problem. So here we have to multiply 188 with 4. Here 188 is a 3-digit number and 4 is a single digit number, 1-digit number. So now start multiplication from ones place. So what is present in ones place here? 8 is present in ones place. So multiply 8 with 4. That is 4 into 8. Children, how much 4 8s are? 4 8s are 32. 4 8s are 32. But 32 is a 2-digit number. If the product is a 2-digit number, what we have to do? We have to take carry. So if the product is a 2-digit number, write the second digit only under ones place. What is the second digit here? So 2 is the second digit here. So write 2 under ones place. And carry the first digit to the next place. So what is the first digit here? 3. And carry this first digit to the next place, that is tens place. So now continue the multiplication with the tens place. What is present in tens place here? 8 is present in tens place. Multiply 8 with 4. That is 4 into 8. Again, how much you will get? 4 8s are 4 8s are 32. 4 8s are 32. Children, but there is a carried number 3. So how much carried number here? 3 is a carried number and add this 3 to the product. Add this 3 to the product. So add this 3 to the product, that is 32 plus 3. So children, 32 plus 3, how much you will get if you add 3 to 32? So open 3 fingers and count after 32. That is 32 after 33, 34, 35. So if you add 3 to 32, how much you will get? 35. So 35 again is a 2-digit number. Then what we have to do? Write the second digit 5 only under. So how much you will get? 35. So carried this 35. Write 5 under tens place and carry the first digit to the next place. What is the first digit here? 3. And carry this 3 to the next place. What is the next place here? Hundreds. So write 3. So carry the first digit to the hundreds place. So write 3 under hundreds place. Now continue the multiplication. So now multiply the digit present in hundreds place with 4. So multiply 1 with 4. That is 4 into 1. 4 into 1 children, how much? 4 1 jar? 4 1 jar 4. And there is a carried number 3. And add this carried number to the product. So add this 3 to the 4. That is 4 plus 3. So children, how much you will get if you add 3 to the 4? So open 3 fingers. 4 after 5, 6, 7. So 7 is the answer. So write 7 under hundreds place. So the answer is 752. So children, so these are the some problems on multiplication of 3-digit number with 1-digit number with carrying, and there are some more problems in this part, and practice those remaining problems at your home as homework. So those problems will be given in your PDF. Children, up to now we have practiced the multiplication of 3-digit number with a 1-digit number without carrying, and also practiced problems on multiplication of 3-digit number with a 1-digit number with carrying. Now we are going to the next topic in this chapter, that is word problems. So now we will practice some word problems on multiplication. So children, so look at the board. So here is the one word problem. So first read the problem. So what is the problem here? There are 35 bags of apples. Each bag contains 6 apples. How many apples are there in 35 bags? So children, read the problem again until you understand the problem. So once again read the problem. So there are 35 bags of apples. So children, how many bags of apples are there? There are total 35 bags of apples. And each bag contains 6 apples. So how many apples are there in each bag? So each bag contains 6 apples. Now what we have to find in the problem? So we have to find the total number of apples contained in 35 bags of apples. So how can we get the answer? So we can get the answer by just multiplication. So how can we multiply? Here we have to multiply the number of bags of apples with the number of apples in each bag. That is, we have to multiply the number 35 with 6, then we get the total number of apples. So children, first you have to identify whether what we have to do in the problem, that is either addition or subtraction or multiplication. So first you have to find out what we have to do in the problem. So here, so by understanding the problem, so you can identify whether we have to do addition or subtraction or multiplication. So here we have to do multiplication because there are 35 bags of apples and each bag contains 6 apples. That means we have to add 6 35 times. Then we can get the total number of apples. So that repeated addition of 6 up to 35 times is nothing but multiplication. So the repeated addition is called multiplication. Here we have to add the number 6 35 times. That is 35 times 6. That becomes 35 into 6. Then we get the total number of apples. So children, first you write the steps for every word problem. First learn how to write the steps for every word problem. So first write the steps. So children, how many bags of apples are there? There are 35 bags of apples are there. So write the first step as number of bags of apples. Number of bags of apples. Children, how many bags of apples are there? There are total 35 bags. So that is equal to 35. Now, each bag contains how many apples? So each bag contains 6 apples. So number of apples in each bag. Number of apples in each bag is equal to. Children, how many apples are there in each bag? So in each bag there are 6 apples. Then what we have to find? We have to find here the total number of apples in 35 bags. So that is the total number of apples. Total number of apples in 35 bags. 35 bags. So how can we get the answer? So here we can get the answer by multiplying the number 35 with 6. That is 35 into 6. So already we have learned the multiplication of 2-digit number with the 1-digit number. So here 35 is a 2-digit number and 6 is a 1-digit number. Now we have to multiply the 2-digit number with the single-digit number. So do the multiplication thereafter. So how to do the multiplication? So first write these two numbers one below the other. First write the number 35 and then write the number 6 below it. So first write the number 35. So this is 35. So first write the number 35. And then write the number 6 below 35. And keep the symbol into. So what is this symbol? Into. This symbol represents multiplication. And also write the places on each digit. So write the places above each digit. That is in 35, 5 is present in 1's place and 3 is present in 10's place. So again same process, we have practiced a lot of problems on the multiplication of these numbers. So how to start multiplication? So either addition or subtraction or multiplication, anyone, we have to start from 1's place. So multiply the digit present in the 1's place with 6. So what is the digit here in 1's place? So 5 is present in 1's place. So multiply 5 with 6. That is 6 into 5. So children, how much is 6 5 jar? So here first you should get the table of 6. That means 6 5 jar how much? 6 5 jar 30. So 6 5 jar 30. Children, here 30 is a 2-digit number. So if the product is a 2-digit number, then what we have to do? Here we have to carry. So how we have to carry? So in 30, the first digit is 3 and second digit is 0 and write the second digit under 1's place and carry the first digit to the next place. So what is the second digit here? 0. So write 0 under 1's place and carry the first digit to the next place. What is the first digit here? So 3 is the first digit here. And carry this 3 to the next place, that is 10's place. So children, so now continue the multiplication with the 10's place. So multiply the digit present in 10's place with 6. So multiply the digit present in the 10's place. Which digit is present in 10's place? 3 is present in 10's place. So multiply 3 with 6. That is 6 into 3. So children, how much is 6 3 jar? 6 3 jar 18. 6 3 jar 18. And again remember children, you have to add the carried number to the product. So what is the carried number here? So 3 is the carried number. And you have to add this carried number 3 to the product. So add the number 3 to the product. That is add 3 to 18. So how much you will get? If you add 3 18, how much you will get? 18 after 19, 20 and 21. So 21 and write 21 under 10's place. So answer is 210. So answer is 210. So write the answer here. So children, so the number of apples, that is the total number of apples in 35 bags or 210 apples are there. So children, in this way, we have to write the steps for every word problem and we have to solve the word problem in this way. So note down this problem in your notebook. See the next word problem. So this is the second one. So which is similar to the one which we have practiced in the earlier. So read the problem once again. So there are 52 toffees in one packet. How many toffees are there in 3 packets? So children, read the problem again. So until you understood. So you can solve the word problem, then only you understood the problem. So read the problem again. So there are 52 toffees in one packet. So children, how many toffees are there in each packet? So there are 52 toffees in each packet. And next, how many toffees are there in 3 packets? So if there are 3 packets, then how many toffees are there in total 3 packets? So here what we have to do, either addition or subtraction or multiplication. So here the total number of toffees in 3 packets will be obtained by adding the number 52 3 times. That means you have to add the number 52 3 times. So that is 3 times 52. So that is called multiplication. That repeated addition is called multiplication. So here also we have to multiply the number 52 with 3. Then we can get the total number of toffees in 3 packets. So first let us start the solution. So first write the steps for this word problem. So what is the first step? It is how many toffees are there in each packet? There are total 52 toffees in each packet. So number of, children, the first step is number of toffees. Number of toffees in one packet. Number of toffees in one packet. Children, how many toffees are there? So there are 52 toffees in one packet. So write 52. And now what we have to find here? So how many toffees are there in 3 packets? So how many toffees are there in 3 packets? That is the number of toffees. Number of toffees in 3 packets. Number of toffees in 3 packets. So how can we get the answer? So we can get the answer by just multiplying the numbers 52 and 3. So multiply the number 52 with 3. It is 52 into 3. Then we can get the total number of toffees in 3 packets. So children, so do this multiplication here. So what is the number here? 52. And what is the second number? 3. Here 52 is a 2-digit number and 3 is a 1-digit number. So first write the number 52 and next write the number 3 below 52. So first write the number 52. It is 52. And write the number 3 below 52. So write the number 3 and keep the symbol multiplication and now do the multiplication and also write the places above each digit. So in 52, here 2 is present in 1's place and 5 is present in 10's place. Now let us start the multiplication. So start multiplication from 1's place. So multiply the digit present in 1's place with 3. So what is the digit present in 1's place? So 2 is present in 1's place. So multiply 2 with 3, that is 3 into 2. So children, how much you will get? 3 into 2, that is 3 2s are how much? 3 2s are 6. So write 6 under 1's place. Here 6 is a 1-digit number and there is no need to carry. If the product is a 2-digit number, then we have to carry. But here 6 is a 1-digit number, there is no need to carry. Just write the 6 under 1's place. Now go to 10's place and multiply the digit present in the 10's place with 3. So which digit is present in 10's place? So 5 is present in 10's place. Multiply 5 with 3. That is 3 into 5. So children, in the table of 3, that is in the third table, how much you will get? 3 5s are 3 5s are how much, children? So 15. So 3 5s are 15. So write 15 here under tens place. So here 15 is a 2-digit number, but here also there is no need to carry because there are no more digits after tens place. That's why write the total number 15 under tens place. So the answer is 156. So answer is 156. That means the total number of toffees in 3 packets is equal to 156. So children, so this is the solution for the given problem. So write the steps in this way for each word problem and do the calculation, that is, do the multiplication in your notebook. So note down this problem in your